Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever opened a post on Reddit? Then it disappears or you accidentally refresh the app. Now you cannot find that post again. Do not worry, let me show you how to find recently viewed posts on Reddit. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on the three lines at the top right. From the menu, tap on History. By default, you will see recently viewed posts. Scroll down to find the post you were looking for. If you remember some keywords, use the search option. This makes finding the post easier. Once you find the post, tap on it to open. You can save it to access it later. This is how you can easily find posts you viewed on Reddit. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Reddit tips and app fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.